Well, we just left the show in Tulare, and tonight we are boondocking at Walmart in Bakersfield, California. Really big Walmart, brand new it looks. It's us and a camper down there. And a monstrous fifth wheel down there. Anyway, good night, everybody. Have a good night. Okay, update to last video just a few minutes ago. The security guy came and told us, the fifth wheel person, and the other little Class A, that they just changed the rules at Walmart and it wasn't 24 hour and you couldn't stay overnight. So we were fixing to move to a location 25 miles from here, and these people stopped and told us that the security guard said that we could move down here in the Big Lots parking lot. And there it is, which is next to Walmart. And so it's us, a camper van, fifth wheel, tractor trailer, and like a 1960s or 70s Class A that looked like a spaceship just pulled in. Huh? Oh, Lee said we could see it out the window. Look at that thing. That is a beast, man. Got bicycle strapped to the top, strapped to the back. They got it going on. Big Lots. Anywho, I guess we're gonna update this on RV Parky so that everybody else knows that they can't stay right in front of Walmart. Right there. And you're looking at it through the eternal dirty window, and there is the security guard. And they're trying to park. They've made like 5 loops around the parking lot trying to find a place that's level enough for them to lay down. Anyway, guys, hopefully this is the one and only update to our overnight boondocking situation. Over and out. Everybody have a good night.